If you've ever grouped clips together in CapCut and now you want to separate them again, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to ungroup grouped videos on CapCut for PC in just a few seconds. This is really useful if you accidentally group the wrong clips or if you want to edit each clip individually after organizing your timeline. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and go to your project timeline where the grouped clips are located. Look for the clips that are currently linked together as a group. You'll want to make sure the grouped videos are selected on the timeline before you do anything else. If needed, click and drag to highlight the full group selection so CapCut knows exactly what you want to edit. Once the grouped clips are selected, move your cursor over the selection and right-click on it. A menu will appear with different editing options. From that menu, look for the option that says Ungroup. This is the command that separates the clips back into individual pieces so you can edit them separately again. Now click Ungroup and CapCut will instantly break the group apart. After that, each video clip will be free to move, trim, or edit on its own without affecting the others. This is especially helpful when you want more control over timing, transitions, or effects inside your project. If you don't see the Ungroup option right away, double check that the clips are actually grouped and that the full group selection is active. Sometimes people click on only one clip instead of the whole group, and that can make the option harder to find. Just select the group first, then right-click and choose Ungroup, and that's it. Your videos are now ungrouped in CapCut on PC. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of time when you need to make precise edits. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.